Hi guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can update the values of a dictionary keys. So for example, when you move on to a next period, there is a greater chance that there is a change in the ranking of the products. So let's see how we can handle that here. So first of all, one of the very first option that we have is by specifying, let's say for product C, our ranking has changed to, let's say, 8, right? So let's go ahead and execute that. Rank underscore products. Alright, so now the rank, as you can see, for product C is changed to 8. Similarly, if you have a need, you can change the rank for any other product. Now let's say you get a combination of products for which you want to change it. Again, if you have seen the previous video, we were going to use the update function, which will help us updating the multiple values. So for example, over here, rank underscore products dot update, within the curly bracket, specify the key, and let's say it is moved to rank 10, and for product B it is moved to 11. Let's go ahead and execute this and say rank underscore products, and now the rank for A is 10, B is 11. For C, we have changed it over here 8, D is 4, and E is 5. So this is a very simple and easy and straightforward way by which you can update the values of a dictionary. Okay, quiz time. You need to update the values of dictionary, and the instruction is here. Update the value of Python course to 6000 and R programming course to 5000. If you find any difficulty in updating the values, then just look the video again. Or if you still find any problem, then let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. And now I will meet you in the next topic.